Good morning, everybody. Hey, welcome to Wednesday, Hump Day, January 22nd. It's hard to believe that January is getting close to being over. It's really something else, I tell you. This year is off to a fast start. I hope your year is off to a great start, too. Hope your portfolio is doing well. Remember, it's always a good idea to get a second opinion on your current portfolio to make sure that it lines up with your risk tolerance and make sure that we don't have too much risk in that portfolio. A lot of things happened yesterday. Markets ended up down. We'll talk about that a little bit this morning. And we still are focusing a little bit on the coronavirus. So hang tight. Uh, Scotty will be on here in just a few minutes.
Original American Idol winner. Yep, the very first one. Kelly Clarkson. Catch my breath. It's 8:42 and 36 degrees in Sebring. Yeah, it's nippy. And speaking of Sebring, let's head downtown. Phillip's on the line. Let's go to Statler Financial Services. Good morning, Phillip.
Good morning, Scotty. It is cold this morning. I bet you were running fast to the car, weren't you?
Oh my goodness, running faster to the radio station. Unfortunately, I have a big, heavy coat that I seem to be wearing more often than I'd like to, Phillip.
Hey, it's a nice little change of pace, though.
Yeah, you're right. I must admit. So lots of stuff to get to today. Let's recap yesterday a little bit. What's going on?
So yesterday we talked a little bit about the corona virus and how it was affecting the markets, and it did affect the markets overall yesterday. Everything was pretty much down. We start off the day that the Dow was down 152 points, ended up at 29,196, down a little over a half a percent. The S&P 500 was down $8.83 to $3,320.79, down a little over a quarter of a percent. And then NASDAQ was down $18.14, down to $93.70. $9,370.81, down almost 0.2%. So everything was going the wrong direction yesterday. Thankfully, on the futures front right now, Scotty, we're seeing green before we get ready to open up.
Okay, good. You have some earnings reports to talk about too, I believe.
We do. We got a few things coming in today. Let's talk about Netflix first. Everybody's favorite thing to talk about. Netflix had a great quarter. They added 8.76 million subscribers globally, and that's a little over a million more than what was anticipated. So they really did have a pretty good quarter on that front. Let's see if I can find my little. Here we go. They were up about 2% this morning before the market opened up. They beat both on top and bottom line. So good things happening there at Netflix. Now, they did talk about some struggles they're having in this first quarter because of the likes of Disney Plus coming out and some of the global competition that's hitting. And so they're only up about 0.25% this morning. Not a huge deal there, but this quarter going to be a struggle for them. Another big name, Scotty, that came out is IBM. And it's really helping the Dow this morning. The IBM finished up 2 cents ahead of estimates. Revenue was better than what had forecasted. We've talked about IBM over the years, how they've had to kind of reinvent themselves into more of a cloud-based system, and things seem to be going well there. They're better than expected guidance for 2020, and so they're trading up today 3.7%. So really a good boost for IBM this morning.
All right. So what are we looking forward to as we move ahead today? And are you really concerned about the effect this coronavirus thing is going to have, as we move forward?
It's hard to say exactly what it's going to do. I mean, it's too early on, I think. I think yesterday was really kind of the first big exposure where we were informed about how it could affect the economy in China and the world, really. I mean, I did read an article this morning that, one of the effects it's having is there's the Macau region of Hong Kong, which is a big gambling resort area. And so they are a lot of folks, it's affecting that area over there, and a lot of the casinos here in the United States have places there, and so we're seeing a little bit of an impact there. We did see the first case hit the United States. So it's just something we're going to have to keep our eyes on to make sure that it doesn't get out of hand as we head into the rest of this year.
Okay, Phillip, very good. Always good to talk to you. Let's wrap things up, I guess, if you have anything else for us. And, of course, remind the folks how to get in touch with you.
Absolutely, Scotty. We're starting off the day in pretty good shape. I talked about IBM really helping the Dow this morning, and that seems to be the case. It's up about 0.25%. Up $63.50 right now. The S&P 500 is up $12.38, making up for the losses yesterday, and the Nasdaq's up 58.5. So both of those indexes are really being helpful in bringing us back up to better than where we were yesterday. And on the futures front, when it comes to the commodities, we've got a kind of a mixed bag when it comes to gold and silver. Gold's down just a tad, silver's up just a little bit, and then crude oil. We got to be excited. It's down 1% this morning.
Hey.
Yeah, $57.80 a barrel. I mean, I had to fill up yesterday, and I thought maybe the price would already start to sink a little bit, but not quite. So maybe by the end of this week, we'll get some better gas prices out there. So, hey, that's kind of where we're going to open up the day. Who knows where we'll end up? Tune in tomorrow, and we'll recap of where we ended up today. If you're not sure if your portfolio is allocated properly to line up with your risk tolerance, and the risk number you have, especially if you're 5 years out from retirement or already retired, give us a call and let us process through our financial x-ray of your current portfolio. To do that, just call us at 863-382-0037, and then catch us online at statlerfinancial.com, and then join us every weekend for the Statler Financial Radio Show. It's on at 6 a.m. and noon on Saturdays, 10 a.m. on Sunday mornings on your sister station, News Talk 730 a.m. And they actually stream it live, Scotty. Can you tell them what the website is?
That's Highlands that's wwtk.com.
There we go. Okay. I don't have that one written down. So, yeah, so they can stream us live right there.
Very good. Hey, good to talk to you. Stay warm, and we'll see you tomorrow, Phillip.
All right. Thanks, Scotty. I look forward to it.
You betcha. Phillip there at Statler Financial Services. Give them a jingle, 382-0037. Attention
passengers, Flight 109.
Hey, folks, I want to thank you for joining us today. I hope you got a little bit out of what we talked about. I know it's a little tough without Dave here, but, hey, we'll get through it. He'll be back on Monday, and looking forward to that. So, hey, exciting times ahead when we look at the markets. But if you're not sure that your portfolio is allocated properly, I can't emphasize enough how important it is that you give me a call right now to schedule your financial x-ray. It is that important that you get on top of that, especially if you're 5 years out from retirement or already retired. Give us a call at 863-382-0037 to schedule your financial x-ray. Hey, until tomorrow, have a great day.